Now for these questions, we're multiplying a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. So for this first question, we're going to multiply 418 by 6 in our first answer line. Then we're going to write a 0 in our second answer line and multiply 418 by 4. Then we're going to add up our answer lines. So 8 times 6 is 48, so 4, 8. 1 times 6 is 6, plus 4 is 10, so 1, 0. And 4 times 6 is 24, plus 1 is 25. And we don't have any more digits to the left, so we can write 25 in our answer line. Now we cross out our working and write a 0 in the ones column of our second answer line. So now we're multiplying 8, 1 and 4 by the 4 digit. So 8 times 4 is 32, that's 3, 2. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7. And 4 times 4 is 16. We don't have anything to add because we remembered to cross out our previous working, and we don't have any digits to the left, so 4 times 4 is 16. We can just write 16 in our answer line. So now all we need to do is add up our answer lines. 8 plus 0 is 8, 0 plus 2 is 2, 5 plus 7 is 12, so 1, 2. 1 plus 2 plus 6 is 9, and nothing plus 1 is 1. Now here we're going to start with 6 times 7, which is 42, so 4, 2. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. So 2, 5. Now 8 times 7 is 56, plus 2 is 58, and we don't have any digits to the left, so we can write 58 in our answer line. Now it's really important that we remember to cross out our working and write a 0 in our second answer line, because this 2 is in the tens place. Now 6 times 2 is 12, so 1, 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And 8 times 2 is 16. We've got nothing above to add, we've got nothing to the left, so 8 times 2, 16, can just go in our answer line. So now we just add up our answer lines. 2 plus 0 is 2, 5 plus 2 is 7, 8 plus 7 is 15, so 1, 5. 1 plus 5 plus 6 is 12, so 1, 2, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer is 22,572. Now for this question, we're doing the same thing, starting by multiplying the digits in our ones. 9 times 3 is 27, so 2, 7. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 2 is 20, so 2, 0. And now 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. And we don't have any more digits to the left, so we can write the 17 in our answer line. Now we need to remember to cross out our working and write a 0 in the ones column of our second answer line, because this 6 is in the tens. Now 9 times 6 is 54, so 5, 4. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 5, 36 plus 5 is 41, so that's 4, 1. And finally, 5 times 6 is 30, plus 4 is 34. So we can add up our answer lines. And our answer is 35,847.